Look at this eyeshadow, just, oh wow. Anyways, that side done. There we go. It is currently 5:30 in the morning and we are getting ready for my sister's graduation. This is the face I'm working with today. So I've decided to film a video today as a graduation guest. So like from what I wear to my makeup, all of that jazz. So I do think it's important to gua sha my face this morning, especially this morning. I want to look nice in photos for my sister. So I'm taking my gua sha and then just going to start with my chin. No way, shape or form do I think this is the correct method. I find this is what works for me. Then I take this rounded edge, I go just under my cheekbone, and then I'll take this, run it under my jaw, and I just take my fingers and really pull my pull my forehead upwards. Sometimes I can look really angry, so I really need to relax my face. Okay, now I'm going to let my skincare sink in before I add my sun care, and then I will be back with you. I'm also going to be helping my mum get ready as well. Right, so whilst I'm doing my makeup, I will be plugging this in as well. Everyone's getting their hair curl today. This is the Mark Hill mix and match, and it's just got the thick barrel on as well. So this is close enough to your wedding day. This, graduating, and your wedding come pretty close, I feel like. When I was getting ready for my graduation earlier this year, it literally felt like that day. Close enough. We are getting ready for an autumn graduation today. I'll start off with my beloved Buin. Now this has always photographed well for me. In flash, in normal lighting, iPhone flash, professional photography flash, everything has always photographed beautifully. Touch wood. For my graduation photos, they all look pretty seamless with no flashback. So yeah, starting off with a decent amount just because it provides me with the best glow in the world and the perfect base for any makeup to go on top. So as you can see, I am relatively tanned compared to my face. For this occasion I used the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Self Tanning Dry Oil. For my own graduation I also self tanned using this. This is great for a natural tanned look on your skin. And I'm also going to be putting some Carmex on my lips. No one wants any dry crusty lips. 6:08. Now I'm going to be taking the Chanel Le Beige onto my skin. I have ordered the Drunk Elephant bronzed drops. Yeah, so I have ordered those, so they will be coming soon. I will be doing a comparison. I will be trying it out, so watch out for that. I'm just going to take, I always take just about half a pump or a quarter of a pump depending on how tanned I am. So I just take it onto my hands, and then as I melt the products between my hands, it just disperses the beads and gives you a bit of colour. So I need some on my forehead and the rest of my face. Now it always looks a bit scary at first, but once you blend it all into your skin, it will look wonderful. Just melt everything into the skin because obviously you want it to be seamless as possible. And I do bring it just under my eyes and onto my eyelids, just so there's no like white patches or anything, as I won't be using any form of concealer under my eyes or on my skin. So yeah. So next up, I'm going to be contouring, and obviously I'm going to be using my classic Bobbi Brown if I can find it. So my classic Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Espresso. However, I have been using this for day to day, and this is new to my makeup collection, and this is the Primark concealer stick in shade Chestnut. I believe this is the darkest shade they do, and it's only 90p, but it's really good, guys. It does really well. Let me just swatch it for you, and it blends out seamlessly, so highly recommend that if you're on a budget or you just want to try something new. And this is my beloved Bobbi Brown on its last legs. I've had this for so many years. That's the swatches side by side. They're pretty close in match. I'd say this one is a little bit more warm than the Espresso, so I will be using this as I know it photographs very well. So I'm just going to be taking that above where you would contour, because I like to bring my contour quite high up and onto my forehead as well. So that's where I'm starting with the contour. Then I'm going to take my angled brush. Annoyingly, Wilko doesn't do this brush anymore, so I'm very sad about that. So if anyone has any recommendations about dense angled brushes, then please do let me know. Anywho, so I'm just going to be patting this into my skin, always in an upwards motion. So you want to bring the contour up into your hairline, up into the cheekbone almost. You can just see how it's just starting to carve out my face for me. And then I'm just gonna blend the rest. And then I'll take whatever's left on the brush and just on the tip of my nose, and that'll be me done with contour. And that also encompasses the bronzer as well, because I've put on enough product for it to act as my bronzer too. So I'm going to go in with my blush. So the blush I will be using today will be Autumn Peach by Essence, and honestly my go-to blush at the moment, and this is essentially what I do every day for my makeup routine, and it just works for me. So I take a healthy amount of blush onto the blush brush, and then I just put it high up onto the cheek, and then take some onto the tip of my nose as well, and that is it. I know I'm going to do her hair, so now I'm going to be taking my angled brush and taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow. I'm still using this. I know I've done a Boots haul and I bought a new one, but that was just in case, and I haven't run out of this yet, so yeah. Just gonna be doing my brows off camera. Brows are on, and I'm just gonna do a flash test for the contour sticks. Oh, I'm gonna insert a photo anyway. So on the left of the photo we have the Bobbi Brown, and then on the right of the photo we have the Primark. So no flashback at all. So you're good to go with the Primark. Next up, I need to set my brows into place. I'm just going to be taking my Collection Colour Lash in Clear and just brushing it through the brows. Before I used to use so many different eyeshadows in my brows. Now it's just the one product and setting them, and then I'm good to go. So now I'm going to be stealing one of my sister's products, and this is the Bobbi Brown Luxe Eyeshadow Rich Sparkle in the shade Moonstone. Her friend bought one of these and enticed her to buy one for herself, and it's a gorgeous eyeshadow. It's almost like pigment. Look at that, absolutely stunning that is. And I'm just going to be tapping this onto my eyelids. So I'll just show you what it looks like as well with my finger. Look how amazing and gorgeous that is. That is just insane, guys. And then I'm just going to be tapping it onto my eyelids. Now a lot of people have been using this over their eyeshadow looks. But I'm not an eyeshadow person. I'm not very skilled in that area. And so I'm just gonna work with this today. Okay, and that is enough sparkle for me for a lifetime. Right, next up is lashes. I will be using my Kiss Mascara. Now, if you don't know me, then you won't know that I've done a whole load of videos all about the Kiss Mascara and a dupe of it as well. So please do check out those videos. I'll link them down below if you haven't seen my Kiss Mascara reviews. But I will be using that product today. And alongside the Kiss Mascara, I will be using the Peaches and Cream number 8 lashes. I've cut them up into quarters to place them onto my eye. But yeah, so I will be doing my lashes now. Right, so that is my makeup done. Lashes are on. Look at this eyeshadow, just, oh wow. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna be putting on the That Swell Extreme Lip Plumper by Barry M, and just placing it onto my lips. Again, nothing too crazy, nothing too out there. Yeah, the lashes look lovely, everything just looks very put together. My sister is nearly done. I'm just gonna be curling my mum's hair and then curling my hair. I'm gonna be taking my Denman brush. I'm just going to be brushing the ends of my hair and then working my way up. I'm not very good at sectioning my hair, but I'm sectioning my hair. That's how I like to curl nearer to my face, so I'll do that curl again. So I like to go from my chin, do quite a wide curl at the top and then a tight curl to the bottom of the strand, not strand, bunch of hair. Do I look old with these lashes? Place them to the outer corner a bit more and then let go. And then I just feel like they're thrown to my face, away from my face. So there. That is that side done. So that is the hair completed, almost. I'm not a big fan of hairspray or anything, so this will do me just fine for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to be turning this off and then just using it to just almost just tame the hair down, because I get quite puffy. And obviously do be careful if you are planning to do the same. And also always be careful when using heated tools for your hair. So the dress that I will be wearing will be this one, and this is from Beige? No, Stradivarius. This is a Stradivarius slinky black dress with a square neck, and it has 2 side splits to it as well. It's a mid-axi dress, so it falls quite elegantly, and I got it in a size large. I believe it was $29.99. So yeah, so that's what I will be wearing, and I will be wearing heels as well, but obviously as I am driving I will be wearing my Vans. Right, so to pair with my dress I will be wearing this Swarovski necklace locket, and it's in rose gold. So I will be wearing this. Another top tip from me: if you want a healthy glow, stick this all over your body. This is a Nivea Rich Nourishing body lotion. Stick this on your body, on your limbs, and it'll give you such a healthy glow. But I bought this satin headband from H&M, and I'm wearing this jacket from Zara. Yeah, and I've got clear heels. All in all, it was a really nice day.